All right, so I got the board notched out, and again, when I tried to place this in here the first time, it was just really hard to get it in there. So I didn't want to have to force it, so I did cut it and trim a little bit off the back sides here with that same reciprocating saw. And you can see here kind of what I'm doing. I've got this screw. I just drilled a little hole in there, screwed it in. So basically, I can just hold on to it with this screw. It makes it much easier to be able to get it in here. And then what I'm going to do is I'll screw into make sure it's nice and flush, about right there. And then what I'll do is screw in with the other holes. I'm not going to be able to do that while I'm holding the camera as well, but basically you can see here I'm just holding it in place. Once I get it screwed in through the drywall here, what I'll do is then I'll take out that screw there and then be able to anchor. It's going to anchor into the two sides here. And I've got some screws that I'm going to use on this side. Again, I'm not gonna put a piece of wood flush right there. I'm just going to use a little bit bigger screw than what they provided. So this is what they provided here. I'm actually going to be using these two over here. Kind of took a look at some of the screws I had. These are the 2-inch wood screws. So it's going to go in and it should be able to do a nice job securing that into the side without having to do too much work to try and create a custom part of that frame there by cutting another piece of wood. So that's what we're going to do next.